Okay, we're kind of busy in the shop today. We got a few projects going. I got my car in here. I'm actually putting the Carrozzeria speakers in. I'm gonna cut up already cut it up. I just skipped the boring part of pulling the interior out because this kind of sucks. So, Cooper's here testing his EGR. We've pretty much eliminated the spark system from what's causing the misfire. We're checking the EGR to see if it leaks right now, because it did have an EGR code before, but we just didn't think it could escalate to where it's at right now. Meanwhile, Andy's over here putting some sway bars in. Go watch their video for it. The reason I'm going to be putting the Carrozzeria speakers in is because I actually power probed them the other day to test the lights in them, because I didn't know for sure if they worked or not before. I just didn't put them in because they didn't really fit. So I've decided to cut it up. These are custom. They're with LEDs instead of the old blue bulbs. It's still going to be like a bluish bulb, but it also has the brake light function and a sequential turn signal across it. So it's pretty sweet. This contraption.
Titan, are you trying to Titan?
Yeah. Alright, so we've done like this whole fucking spark system, and the spark system kind of checks out. And so I'm looking at some other options that it would be like some EGR or evap if this car has it, some shit like that, because as soon as the car has the problem, it's like a light switch and it just hits on and starts misfiring. It's just like a fucking light switch. So I tested the EGR, 22 PSI is where I tested it at. After 20 minutes it dropped to 10 with the shit fucking gun. That's kind of okay that it kind of dropped like that. I feel like it would have dropped a lot more if it was actually bad and losing vacuum pressure. So that kind of checks off the list, but like I have an EGR code, so I still need to diagnose kind of what is tripping that off. But I'm definitely thinking it's something along those lines, so I'm just gonna have to keep diagnosing shit for that. Also on the EGR, the filter that's right behind this cap was pretty fucking nasty. I couldn't really get a replacement for it because this thing's fucking obsolete, but I kind of cleaned it up as well.
Damn, this is lower than I remember.
What's that?
It's lower than I remember.
In the rear, it looks a lot lower. No, it's the same, just lowering spring. I didn't do anything different.
Just trimmed back the foam, the fabric rear deck a little bit, so I could fit the bottom of the speaker down in. I didn't have to cut the frame at all, that's all I had to cut. So they're both in. I just gotta get them wired up with the speakers and the lights and the tail lights, and then it's just gonna be putting the interior back together. Cooper is still working to diagnose his vacuum and EGR situation right now.
Fucking cracked junk. The new tinted.
What are you doing? Oh, shit.
Intake.
There are 3 categories.
Little smoke test action. vape juice goes crazy.
New vape flavor. SC300 flavor.
Alright. Cool.
That didn't tell us much.
Well, it told us that we have no vacuum leaks.
Then what the fuck is going on with this thing?
Still diagnosing. The car is telling me it's the EGR. That's the code that I got.
We're gonna shut this.
Whoops.
Ready? Yeah, there's one wired in. Turn signal. And brake, turn signal off. Yep, there we go.
It's purple.
Look at that. It's
Blue. Wait,
it's big balling. It's combining the red and the blue and making it purple. Hit that blinker again. Woo!
look at this, Darren.
Look at that.
Oh, is that on the blinker?
That's the speaker, yeah. He still has to wire the other one in over here. He's been spending a while. He's been really going at it. You putting a brake on this today?
Yep.
Yep.
Calling it a day on this shit. I'm beat. And I'm not trying to go insane over this fucking car.
Yeah, this thing is, it's being the biggest pain in the ass it possibly can
It's
be.
not worth going insane over. Show them the taillights. I don't even think this
Oh.
camera sees the fucking taillights.
Probably hasn't. Fresh install on these beautiful
Hold on.
smoke taillights. Wow. Give me some brake action.
All the bulbs aren't gonna light up.
That's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Woo.
Are the hazards on?
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. They're definitely better than the stock taillights.
Oh yeah, dude. I feel like a lot of people don't do tinted taillights with these cars that are actually done right. So
Yeah.
this is cool.
It looks good with the black. You can really see the
The gold
gold
hits
now.
different.
The gold hits different. Here, you
Gold
take
hits
this.
different.
See ya!
Yeah, you're good.
Yep.
Yep. Woohoo, yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Here, Tyson.
Turn the headlights.
Hold on. Hold on. I want to switch two wires.
Yeah. Hold on, do what you just did again.
It was right way before.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's not right.
Wait.
One of the brakes isn't working on this side.
Hold on.
Diagnosing.
Currently diagnosing.
You guys are both wearing green shirt with the black background.
I'm wearing the lurking class.
Which one is that?
He's wearing the Adam LZ.
Adam LZ.
The blinker goes hard. I like the blinker.
I just really wanted to show the dynamic of what's happening right now. We're over here doing some serious wiring with these Carrozzeria speakers right now. They're working, they're in. We're just tidying up the wiring. But then if you go over here, these two, Gentry pulled out his motor. They're fucking partying over here. Why'd the music stop?
The
song ended?
We listened to the whole song. I busted my knuckle.
That shit smells.
Yep, now there's a mix of WD-40, caustic solution, and water. Because the Berg water does not smell good.
The dirty bird.
The dirty Berg water.
cigarette extender from the IS?
No, I had to get a whole new one because that one fucking broke for some reason.
Whoa. Uh-oh. I'm good.